Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to place for the hottest rides, the latest automotive tech, and those machines that make your heart race. Today, we have something seriously special for you, the all-new 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4. This is not just another pickup, it's a modern legend, a workhorse with a wild side, and a reminder why the F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades. The 2026 F-150 XLT 4x4 is built to combine everyday practicality with rugged capability. Ford has refined the design, making it bolder, sharper, and even more aggressive, while still staying true to the F-150's instantly recognizable DNA. The front end features a fresh grille design with a mix of chrome and black accents, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide better visibility and a distinctive signature look. The muscular hood lines flow into a body that feels sturdy, confident, and ready for action. Under the hood, the F-150 XLT 4x4 offers multiple engine options, but for truck lovers who crave power, the 3.5L EcoBoost V6 is the star of the show, delivering over 400 horsepower and massive torque for towing, hauling, and pure driving enjoyment. The 10-speed automatic transmission keeps shifts smooth and efficient, while the advanced four-wheel drive system ensures that no matter the terrain, mud, snow, rocks, or sand, this truck can handle it with ease. Step inside, and you'll find that the 2026 XLT takes comfort and convenience to the next level. Ford has given it a spacious, well-crafted interior with high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and all the tech you could want. The massive touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the premium audio system pumps out crystal clear sound, and there's a full suite of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring to keep you safe on the road. But make no mistake, this truck isn't just about being comfortable, it's a true worker. With a payload capacity that can handle heavy loads, a towing rating that lets you pull everything from boats to trailers, and a durable bed with smart tie-down points, the F-150 XLT is ready for any job. Ford has also added clever features like a tailgate work surface and built-in power outlets, turning your truck into a mobile workstation. Off-road, the F-150 XLT 4x4 shows its wild side. Switch to off-road mode, and the truck adjusts throttle response, shift points, and traction control to give you maximum grip and confidence. Whether you're climbing steep trails or splashing through muddy water crossings, this truck feels composed, stable, and unstoppable. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease, while the skid plates protect vital components from rough terrain. What makes the 2026 model really stand out is its balance between tradition and innovation. It carries the tough, dependable spirit that made the F-150 famous while embracing modern design, efficiency, and technology. Ford has even focused on fuel efficiency, with improved aerodynamics and hybrid options for those who want power without sacrificing economy. So whether you need a dependable daily driver, a job site companion, or an off-road adventurer, the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT 4x4 delivers on all fronts. It's a truck that works hard, plays hard, and looks good doing it. From its commanding presence to its cutting-edge features, this is a pickup that earns respect everywhere it goes. If you're a truck enthusiast or just love seeing the best that modern engineering can offer, you're going to want to see this beast in action. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest reviews, test drives, and deep dives into the most exciting rides on the road.